What's your name?
Ritika Zatsara.
Ritika, which school are you from?
I'm from Ashok Hall School in Calcutta.
Right. And how did you stumble upon a career in law? What made you think about law as a career?
Mostly because I wanted to bring a change in society, very philosophical thoughts and all of that when I was growing up. And I thought law was a good way to do it because you actually have the power to do it through law. And then my sister was also studying law, so I got kind of inspired. And then I gave both, I appeared for CLAT and AILET, and then I topped AILET. But then I had the choice to come either here or go to NU Delhi. And I came to NS because the kind of legacy that NS has is obviously much more than NUT does at this point. So yeah, and it's a really great college. So that's why I came to NS and that's why I chose it.
Right. So, which year are you in?
I'm in the first year there.
Right. So, what are your hobbies? Are you able to pursue your hobbies?
It's a little difficult because we do have a lot of workload here. But if you really like doing something, you will end up doing it, right? So I love reading and I love watching movies and I love playing sports. And NS gives you a lot of opportunities for a lot of things. So it's not just restricted to academics. So,
Did your love of reading help you in cracking the exam as well?
yeah, sure. Because I mean, you have an entire section in English, right? And then it helps you with your logical reasoning and everything. If you read faster, that simply helps you with the exam. So that was pretty helpful.
And how has the one past 5 6 months? How has it been in the campus?
It's been really great. It's
Mhm.
been a lot of fun, a lot of work also.
Mhm.
Like if someone's planning to come here, they should be ready to put in a lot of work. But then it's all worth it because it's a good place to be, and you like it gives you a lot of opportunities more than I think any other college does in India. So in terms of that, it's really good. It's up to you to utilize those opportunities, and for that you will have to work hard.
It's been just 5 months, but have you decided on what you'll do after you pass out, after you graduate from this place? Any particular thing in law you'd like to do?
Not really, but I know that I don't want to do corporate law and all of that. I might want to go into litigation, or I might want to take up maybe public policy and then go into the United Nations or one of those international organizations.
Any suggestions for students preparing for law exams?
CLAT is law exams are generally like just work hard, just practice. That's all they're about. Like as long as you're practicing, you'll do fine. So yeah.
Thank you very much for your time and your patience.